Want to know how to enable or disable image generation while creating your agent in Agent GPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Agent GPT website. So as you can see right here, you can just simply open up agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And once you're here, you can just simply see our name and your goal by default, where you can just simply create your agent. So before typing enter, before playing play and making your agent, what you can do is you can just simply enable or disable various features. So on the rightmost side, you should be seeing tools as well. So you can just select that. So now once you select your tools, since we are enabling or disabling images, you can just simply see images right here on top. So you can just simply enable or disable it just like this right here. And you can just simply select close and you can just simply select create, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily enable or disable your image generation in Agent GPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.